Welcome to the AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today we will learn how to block or allow country traffic from cPanel. Managing access to your website based on the visitor's geographic location can be a strategic move for enhancing security and controlling traffic. One effective way to achieve this is by using the htaccess file, a powerful configuration file used by Apache servers. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use htaccess to block or allow visitors from specific countries in cPanel. Steps to use htaccess to block visitors from specific countries in cPanel. Step 1. Generate the country's IP addresses. To restrict access based on the visitor's country, you need a list of IP addresses corresponding to that country. Let's see how you can generate this list using the IP2 Location Firewall IP List tool. Visit IP2 Location and go to the Firewall List by Country option. Choose the country from which you want to block or allow traffic. Here we have entered China as an example. Decide whether you need IPv4, IPv6, or both. Most websites use IPv4, but including IPv6 may be essential for comprehensive coverage. Choose the format based on your needs. For blocking, you'll need the IP ranges that you can deny. For allowing, ensure you place the deny rule above the allow rule. Click Download to get the access control list in a format suitable for your htaccess file. If you're allow access, remember to add a deny from all line before your allow rules. Step 2. Insert the generated IP addresses into the htaccess file. Now that you have your list of IP addresses, it's time to insert them into your htaccess file. Log into your cPanel account. Go to the File section and click on the File Manager option. Search the public HTML folder and click on it. Then locate the htaccess file and open it for editing. If you don't see the file, make sure you have enabled the option to show hidden files. Right-click on the file and select Edit. Copy the list of IP addresses and paste the IP addresses into your htaccess file. The format should look something like this. If you're using an allow list, and ensure you place the deny from all directive above the allow rules. Save the htaccess file by clicking on the Save button. After updating your htaccess file, test your website to ensure that the access control rules are working as expected. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to block or allow country traffic from cPanel. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumbs up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting. where you will have access to PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.